Hello, wonderful fourth graders. It's homework time. Get out your Succeed book. Turn to page 67. Lesson 14 homework helper. Use the Stanford algorithm to solve the following subtraction problems. So the first thing to ask is, am I ready to subtract? So you check each column and see if it's ready to subtract. In each column, if the top number is greater than the bottom number, then it's ready to subtract. If the top number is less than the bottom number, it is not ready to subtract, and you will need to decompose. So here it says, no, I don't have enough tens, thousands, or 10,000s. That means you have to do decomposing. After decomposing, I'm ready to subtract. So you could see in the example they already did all their decomposing and got it ready. And then they subtracted. Make sure you look at the tape diagram for the word problem. When you're trying to find how many more, you can use a blank space and a variable. This distance here is how much more the top number has than the bottom number. This is how you show it with a tape diagram. Review that and then turn the page when you're ready to work on some homework problems. Okay, we are on page 69. Number 1, use the standard algorithm to solve the following subtraction problems. Let's look at letter A. First, we're going to check to see, is it ready to subtract? Check each column. In the ones, is 9 minus 2 ready to subtract? Yes. In the tens, is 8 minus 9 ready to subtract? No. That means we're going to decompose the hundreds. Cross off the 9, make it 8. Give 10 to the 8 in the tens place. If you're giving it 10 more, now it's not 8. What is it? 18. Now the tens is ready to subtract. 18 minus 9 is ready. How about the hundreds? 8 minus 4, is that ready to subtract? Yes. Now the thousands, is 1 minus 1 ready to subtract? Yes. And the 10,000s, is 7 minus 2 ready to subtract? Yes. Now you can do all your subtracting. Remember to start in the ones place. Go ahead and finish the problem. See how you do. Pause the video. When you're ready to check your work, then press play. Did you get 50,497? Great job. Okay, let's look at letter B. First, we have to ask, is it ready to subtract? Check all the columns. In the ones, is 9 minus 2 ready? Yes, that's fine. In the tens, is 8 minus 9 ready? No, we need to decompose the 9 and the hundreds. Cross it off, make it an 8. Give 10 to the 8 in the tens place. Now it is 18. 18 minus 9 is ready to subtract now. Check the hundreds. Is 8 minus 4 ready? Yes. Check the thousands. Is 1 minus 6 ready to subtract? No, we need to do 1 minus 6. So we need to decompose the 7 and the 10,000s. Cross off the 7, make it a 6. Give 10 to the 1 and the thousands. If you're giving it 10 more, now it's not 1. What is it now? 11. 11 minus 6 thousandths is ready to subtract. Now check the 10,000s. Is 6 minus 9 ready to subtract? No, we won't be able to do that. That means we need to decompose the 100,000s. Cross off the 3, make it a 2, give 10 to that 6 and the 10,000s. If you're giving it 10, what is it now? 16. Now check. Is 16 minus 9 ready to subtract? Yes, it is. And how about the hundred thousands? Is 2 minus nothing ready to subtract? Yes. Now you could do all your subtracting. Start in the ones place, pause the video, finish the problem, and press play when you're ready to check your work. The answer is 275,497. How did you do? I would like you to try letter C by yourself. Pause the video, work out the problem. Remember to ask yourself if it's ready to subtract before you begin. Do all your decomposing and then subtract starting in the ones place. Pause the video, press play when you're ready to check your work. Did you get 345,897? Great job. Okay, let's do letter E together. Let's check to see if it's ready to subtract. In the ones place, is 9 minus 2 ready? Yes. In the tens, is 0 minus 9 ready? No. That means we need to decompose. Can we decompose a 0 and a 100? No, there's nothing to decompose. We need to go all the way over to the 9 and the thousands. Cross off the 9, make it an 8. Now, you can only give to the place value next to it. So we can give 10 to the 0 and the hundreds right now. So this 0, it's not a 0 anymore. We're giving it 10. So now it is 10. But our tens place 0 minus 9 still isn't ready to subtract. That means we need to decompose again. Now we could decompose the 10 and the hundreds. Cross it off, make it a 9. Now give 10 to the 0 in the tens place. If we're giving it 10, it's not a 0. Now it is 10. Now is it ready to subtract in the tens? 10 minus 9. Yep, that's ready. Check the hundreds. 9 minus 4. Yes, that's ready. Check the thousands. 8 minus 8. Yep. Now check the 10,000s. 7 minus 8. Is that ready to subtract? No, we won't be able to do that because 8 is greater than 7. That means we need to decompose the 8 in the hundred thousands. Cross off that 8, make it a 7. Give 10 to the 7 in the 10,000s. If we're giving it 10 more, now it is 17. Now is it ready to subtract in the 10,000s? 17 minus 8, that will work. And now in the 100,000s, 7 minus 7 is ready. Now we can do all our subtracting. 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 8 is 0. 17 minus 8 is 9. 7 minus 7 is 0. When it's the greatest place value, if it's a 0, you can just leave it blank. We need to put our comma in our number. Where should the comma go? 1, 2, 3, comma. Our answer is 90,517. Now you could try some of these other problems by yourself later. Let's turn the page. The directions at the top say, draw a tape diagram to represent each problem. Use numbers to solve and write your answer as a statement. Check your answers. We're going to work on number 4. It says, a Class A dump truck can haul 239,000 pounds of dirt. A Class C dump truck can haul 600,200 pounds of dirt. How many more pounds can a Class C truck haul than a Class A truck? First, we need to make our tape diagram. We have a Class A dump truck. Let's make a tape diagram for that one. And it can haul 239 pounds of dirt. We'll write 239,000. And then the Class C dump truck can haul 600,200 pounds of dirt. That one is greater than the Class A dump truck. So I need to make this one longer. This one's for Class C. We need to write 600,200. All right, I'm going to label this one A for Class A and this one C for Class C. Now we need to find out how many more pounds this one is than this one. When we have a how many more problem, we could show it with this blank space right here. We're trying to find out this distance. This is the difference between the longer one and the shorter one. And I'm going to let's use the variable D for dirt. Okay, so we need to find out how many more pounds of dirt that this Class C truck can haul than the Class A truck. What can I do to find out this distance? How much more the longer tape diagram is than the shorter tape diagram? We can use subtraction. Let's set up our algorithm. So since this one is greater, 600,200, that goes on the top of our algorithm. And we're going to subtract the number that's less, 239,000. Okay, I have my algorithm ready. I need to check to see if it's ready to subtract. So let's check starting in the ones. 0 minus 0, that's ready. Another 0 minus 0, that's also ready. In the hundreds, 2 minus 0, ready. Check the thousands, 0 minus 9. That is not ready to subtract. We will not be able to do 0 minus 9. We need to decompose. We can't decompose the 0 and the 10,000s. That means we need to go all the way over to the 100,000s, to the 6. Cross it off, make it a 5. Then we can give 10 to the 0 that's right next to it in the 10,000s place. If we're giving it 10, now it's not 0. What is it now? 10. Good. But we still need to be able to subtract in the thousands. That means we have to decompose again. So now we could decompose this 10, make it a 9, and give 10 to the thousands place. So now this 0 is not 0 anymore. We just gave it 10. So now it is 10. So now check. Is our thousands ready to subtract? 10 minus 9. Yes, that's ready. How about the 10,000s? 9 minus 3. That's ready now. And 5 minus 2 in the 100,000s? That's ready. All right, let's do our subtracting. Starting in the ones, 0 minus 0 is 0. In the tens, 0 minus 0 is 0. In the hundreds, 2 minus 0 is 2. Now the thousands, 10 minus 9 is 1. Now the 10,000s, 9 minus 3 is 6. And the 100,000s, 5 minus 2 is 3. Put your comma in. Where does the comma go? Right here between the thousands and the hundreds. So our answer is 361,200. So we need to write our answer statement. How many more pounds can a Class C truck haul than a Class A truck? Let's turn that into a sentence to answer the question. A Class C truck can haul how many more pounds? Here's our answer. 361,200 more pounds than a Class A truck. There. Now we did all the steps of the RDW process. Read it, draw, write an answer statement. Okay, now you can try some of the other problems on your own. Goodbye. See you next time.